Mr. 300C in the building, y'all. I'm ready, I'm past due, but we're gonna get through this video. I'm not 100% right now. I'm fighting the end of my cold that I got last week after I came back from Las Vegas on a work business trip. Don't worry, it's not COVID. I already had COVID in July, got antibodies, I'm good. So yeah, just started with allergies and it turned to a cold. Sucks. I don't like cats. That's where it started and triggered everything. Anyway, there's the beauty right there. We are going to do our first mod on this bleh. All right, we are changing out the stock intake air system. Does a great job blocking out the heat, but it does not do a good job helping the Hemi breathe. Look at these ridges here. No smooth airflow there. A lot of turbulence with these ridges. Then you got this weird little pocket piece where air kind of gets in there and then comes back out. I think it's a resonator, but it's just a weird setup, you know, air to come through here, gets stuck in here a little bit, then starts to go back into the engine. I don't get it. I've seen other Srt8s that only had this system and without this little pocket piece here. So we are going to remove that off and put on, I have a Corsa Performance enclosed cold air intake. I really like this one because it's an enclosed box and the tube nice and smooth. Pre-holes for my sensors and valves, tubes and all that good stuff. Nice size. But yeah, my filter's in here, so I'm gonna take this all off, show you guys how to get this installed. But I just like the design of this. I mean, this is the bottom piece and it just looks nice. So yeah, you get a couple things in here. Get your clamps, breather valve, coupler, obviously your tube, some vinyl pieces if you want to put some color up here for the Corsa Performance. Some brackets and screws and a badge here that I won't be putting on because I don't live in California. Nope, Utah man right here. And a little checklist. Kind of shows you where things go, but I'm gonna figure this out. Learn as I go. That's the one I got, PN 46861. Cool. All right, let's take this bad boy off. All right, first thing is we're gonna take this bolt out or screw. Looks like it's a hex pattern. Thought it should be a normal bolt, but yeah, I got a piece for that. I'm gonna take this off. Gonna pull this off. And we have the clamp to the throttle body right there. We'll loosen it there. And then we'll get access to see underneath. And then we can pull out the air sensor that is back there. We're gonna take that out and then we'll continue. All right, everything is loose. Disconnected the breather valve, took off the little screw, loosened the clamp here to the throttle body. So now I should just be able to pull to disengage a little bit. And then I can go underneath to flip that up and pull this bad boy up so I can get access, pull out the air sensor. Okay, got it disengaged a little bit off the throttle body. See if I can squeeze up in here. All right, so here's the air sensor clip. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, so I got to push the red tab back and then I can pull that out and push it to the side. And then after that, I can pull and remove the air intake off the car. Got everything removed.
I can see to the bottom of the bumper.
Yeah, pretty cool. This thing is huge, man. This is like 3 feet long. It's heavy. has some weight on it. It's like 10 pounds. But you can see how restrictive it is. Let's look at that design. Like, let's look at this thing. Who wants that? See the old filter in there. Ooh, some oil spilling. It's all good. It's expected to have a little bit of oil in there. Nothing too seriously. All right, now I'm going to get the box ready, prepped, assembled. I gotta take these screws off and take the filter out, position it, get that situated. Look how big this filter is. This thing is ginormous. Dang, Gina! It's huge. I like that. It can go, I like that the inside, you can see air can get in there too. So got air going in here and then all around. I don't know if this is dry or oil. I'm gonna say it's oil. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is an oiled one. So I have to do maintenance on it like every, what, 10,000 miles? Something like that. No biggie. Also, don't forget to take this grommet from the original stock airbox so you can use it to put it here on the new one when you set it inside the engine bay. So keep this little piece, take it out. All right, airbox is in. I put the grommet back in there. Fits pretty good. All the way down to the bumper. I like that. The tubing's gonna go there. Little side view. I like it. All right, next we are going to get our tubing placed in and keep it moving. All right, so before I put the tube on, I wanted to get the coupler on there. Got my brackets to hold it in place, my little rings, whatever you want to call them. But I noticed this thing was for the stock intake. I'm gonna remove this with a little ratchet. No point having this little bracket set here. So keep that in mind. All right, we got the tube and the intake all together. Make sure everything's in place. Boop, boop. There's my air valve sensor. I'm probably naming these things wrong, but you'll get the whole thing. Vacuum hose, bloop, boop. That's connected, bloop, boop. Air intake filter, bloop, boop. Now all I gotta do is tighten up my rings and get ready to put the brackets on, and we'll be done. There you go, Corsa enclosed performance coater intake. Went with red lettering. I like the white though, I ain't gonna lie, but red looks good because the 6.1 liter is in red, so it's like, let's do red too. So there you go. Everything is snugged, fit good. It's too late right now to start it up, so in the morning I will start the car up and we will see how it sounds and we'll go for a drive. Morning, it's a new day. So nice, so nice. Let's give this bad boy a start. So far so good, no check engine lights. Everything looks good. Go for a ride. This code is annoying, man. It's like making my chest hard to breathe. All right, let's see what we're doing. Man, pretty good throttle response. I feel like it pulls a little bit harder too. The way how the air just just hits that engine. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I like it. Nice little pickup. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, so far, I think it was worth it. And this cold air intake was $270. Had to pay tax, so like $290. But yeah, it's worth it. It's better than stock. And definitely feels like the Hemi likes it. Yeah, the 6.1 is enjoying added airflow. Now we gotta put the tune on here. That's really gonna make this car super responsive. I can't wait for that. I feel like it's gurgling more too. Interesting. Yeah, there's the huge difference with this air intake system. It's not louder inside the car. I can hear it's louder outside, which is pretty cool. This thing is breathing good now. Breathing good from the beginning, sucking in the air, and then breathing good exiting the car with almost a straight pipe system. Good. All right, just wanted to give you guys my first impression. I'll do a more fuller video, but everything's good. No check engine lights. Installation was success. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.